If you're over 40, you still love lifting, but your shoulder pain has you babying bench, avoiding overhead work, or waking up at night because you rolled onto that shoulder, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a simple, Big 5 step-by-step plan so you can understand what's actually limiting your shoulder, start working on the real weaknesses, and know when it's time to stop guessing and get a coach. You don't have to quit lifting, you just need the right map. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist with Combat Performance. I fought my own shoulder pain for years. I did the PT, the scraping, the needling, the bands, the stretches, and everyone stared at my shoulder joint and ignored everything around it. Now we help lifters in their 40s, 50s, and 60s fix their shoulders fully online using what I call the Big 5 system, so they can keep benching, pressing, rowing, doing pull-ups and dips for years to come. This video is your starting point. Step 1, know your limitations in the Big 5. Your shoulder is not a solo joint. It's part of a 5-part team. Your neck and nerves, your thoracic spine, your upper back, your shoulder blade, your shoulder joint, and how you load with bench, press, pulls, carries, and sleep. If you only treat number 4, the shoulder joint, you keep getting short-term relief and long-term frustration. Here's a quick reality check for each Big 5 area. Your neck and nerves, a stiff neck, night pain, zings or numbness with pull-ups, pressing, or just lying on that side. Your thoracic spine or upper back, you live hunched over at a desk or steering wheel, and every time you try to overhead press or put plates away, your low back arches because your upper back won't extend or rotate. The scapula or shoulder blade, when you lift your arm, your shoulder hikes up into your ear, where you feel a pinch at the top side part of the shoulder. That's classic impingement, when the ball grinds into the blade instead of gliding with it. Then we have the shoulder joint. Front is shoulder pain at the bottom with bench or dips, not being able to get your hand up your back, or you feel blocked reaching overhead. And then we talk about how we load the shoulder. You went from 0 to I'm 20 again loading, or your warm-up keeps getting longer, but the same bench and overhead patterns keep lighting you up. The first step is awareness. Which of these 5 sound the most like you? If you want a deep dive with specific tests for each of these, I have a full video that walks you through the 5 targeted tests and a drill for each. That's your advanced testing. Today, I want to give you a simple plan so you can start right away. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. Step 2 is working on those weaknesses. Once you have a sense of where you're limited in the Big 5, step 2 is to run a minimum protocol and actually work on those weaknesses while you keep lifting. Think of this like brushing your teeth for your shoulders. Boring, consistent, and it prevents bigger problems later. We'll keep it simple. Before any upper body session, I want you to hit this 3-move warm-up. A bench opener. Elbows on a bench, hands together or holding a dowel. Set your hips back and let your chest drop between your arms. You should feel a stretch across the front of the shoulders and lats. 2 sets, 8 to 10 reps. This hits your T-spine and front shoulders, so getting into bench and overhead positions isn't a fight. And we have wall slides. Stand facing a wall, forearms or hands on the wall at about shoulder height. Gently press into the wall and slide your arms up as high as you can without a sharp pinch or arching in your low back, then slide back down. Complete 2 sets of 8 to 10 slow reps. This trains your shoulder blade and joint to share overhead work instead of grinding the front and top of the shoulder. We have banded bear sliders. Get into a plank or incline plank. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. With a band around your wrist, you're going to slide in all 3 directions. Complete 2 sets of 5. All 3 directions is 1 rep. This builds close shin stability so your shoulder learns to handle load without freaking out. If you did just those 3 before every upper body workout for 2 weeks, most over 40 lifters feel a difference. On off days or in the evening, run this quick reset. Chin tuck and extension. You're going to sit up tall. Gently slide your head back into a double chin, then slowly look up only as far as comfortable and return. 10 slow reps. This resets your neck and gets your head back over your shoulders instead of out in front. Then we do a wall open book. Stand or half kneel side on the wall. Hands together in front of you. Then rotate your chest and top arm away from the wall like you're opening a book. 8 to 10 reps each side. Take note if one side opens up better than the other. This frees up your T-spine rotation so your shoulder doesn't have to cheat and steal the motion. Then I recommend wall slides again. Same as before, 8 to 10 reps. This reinforces that shoulder blade and joint pattern daily. Side note, this is one of our top exercises that our clients love to do. Use the same traffic light you see in other videos. Green feels good or a light stretch, that's your push zone. Yellow is a 2 to 3 out of 10. Discomfort that settles quickly after you stop. Generally okay, but don't push through massive spikes. And red is a 6 out of 10 or higher. Sharp pain, catching, or soreness that lingers or worsens after. You need to back off the range, change the angle, or skip that move for now. So many many of you live in the red? You push it at the gym and you pay for it for the next couple days. If you can simply keep your training in the yellow and green, you're going to save yourself a lot of headaches. Step 3 is knowing when YouTube and do-it-yourself routines aren't enough anymore. Here's when I think you should stop guessing and get a coach. Your shoulder pain has been around longer than 3 months and you're not seeing real progress. You can't bench or overhead press anywhere near the loads you care about without flaring things up. You still can't sleep on that shoulder most nights. You tried random exercises in generic PT, but no one has actually walked you through your big 5 limitations and built a plan around them. And you're stuck and not sure if you're doing the right exercises or progressing the right ones. If that's you, you don't have a random shoulder pain problem. You have a big 5 system problem, and that's what we fix all day. If you're over 40 and you feel that nagging pain in the front of your shoulder with bench, dips, or pressing, the single best next step for you is this video. In there, I walk you through one simple test so you can start seeing if your bicep tendon is taking the beating, and 3 exercises to start taking pressure off the front of your shoulder and rebuilding strength in a way your bicep and shoulder can actually tolerate. So if you're watching this and thinking, yep, that's me, front of shoulder pain every time I press, check out that video. Remember, your rotator cuff tear lives inside a big 5 system: your neck, thoracic spine, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves. Over 40, the game isn't a perfect MRI or bust. It's a strong, stable, and smart shoulder that lets you live and lift on your own terms. If you want help figuring out exactly which parts of your big 5 are holding you back and how to train with your current shoulder, grab my free Big 5 Shoulder Fix training using the link in the description. It'll walk you through tests and exercises for all 5 areas so you're not stuck guessing. And if you're tired of dealing with this shoulder pain and tried things such as physical therapy, YouTube exercises, injections, and you want the real fix for the long term, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.